Greetings everyone. I trust you're all well. Today, we're delving into the process of uncovering your Windows 10 product key or OEM digital license key directly from your computer. No need for any additional software. I'll walk you through two straightforward methods. It's always wise to safeguard your product key, whether you're contemplating a reinstall onto another machine or gearing up for a Windows 11 update. Having your product key handy is invaluable. Begin by clicking on the search icon and typing CMD. Then select Run as Administrator. Grant permission when prompted. Now, simply copy and paste the command provided in the link I've shared. A quick right-click or Ctrl+V hit Enter. Your product key is revealed. However, if you find yourself without a product key like myself, owing to a digital or OEM license, fear not, for there's a second avenue to explore. Press the Windows and R keys simultaneously to choose Run dialog box. Then type regedit and hit OK. Allow permission if prompted. Within the registry editor, navigate to HKey Local Machine. Then Software and Microsoft. Find your way to the Windows NT folder by selecting any file under Microsoft, pressing W and scrolling down. Once within Windows NT, locate current version and open it. Scroll further until you find Software Protection Platform. Here, you'll uncover a window displaying Backup Product Key Default, containing your serial key. Copy and store it securely for future use. With your product key in hand, future installations, reinstalls, or upgrades to Windows 11 will be a breeze. I trust this guide proves beneficial to you. Don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing. Until next time, have a splendid day.